Myself, Narode YS. I am the Faculty of Mathematics in Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. Let us see trigonometry. The basic concept of some basic concept of the trigonometry. Here, you know the trigonometry is used in the right angle triangle. So let us see here the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is of 90 degree and angle C is theta. Here triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Then angle B is equals to 90 degree, and for suppose angle C is equals to theta degree. Angle C is equals to theta degree. Then we have to see the basic formula, basic ratios of the trigonometry. Means sin theta. First basic ratio is sin theta. So what is the formula for sin theta? So sin theta is equals to opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. So here opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. Here opposite side of theta is equals to AB. So here AB upon hypotenuse is equals to AC. So this is the sin theta. Then second ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta upon hypotenuse. So here the adjacent side of theta is equals to BC and hypotenuse is equals to AC. So BC upon AC. Then third one, that is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta divided by adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta. Therefore here tan theta is equals to opposite side of theta is equals to AB and adjacent side is equals to BC. So AB upon BC. Then fourth one, that is cot theta. So cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore reciprocal of tan theta means it is adjacent side of theta upon opposite side of theta. Side of theta. Therefore it is equals to BC upon AB. Then fifth one, that is sec theta. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. Therefore it is hypotenuse upon adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta. Therefore sec theta is equals to hypotenuse is equals to AC and adjacent side is equals to BC. So it is AC upon BC. Then last one, that is cosec theta. So cosec theta is equals to, it is a reciprocal of sin theta. Therefore it is equals to hypotenuse upon opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta. Therefore here hypotenuse is equals to AC and opposite side of theta, that is equals to AB. So AC upon AB. So these are the 6 basic ratio of the trigonometry. First is sine. Sine is equals to opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. Second is cos theta. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to opposite side of theta upon adjacent side of theta. Then cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore adjacent side of theta upon opposite side of theta. Then sec theta, it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So sec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent side of theta. And lastly, cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta, and therefore it is equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent. Here angle C is theta. Here angle C is theta. If we change the angle theta, then these ratios are again changed. For example, suppose here if angle A is theta, then BC is the opposite side. BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side. So this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side, because here angle theta is A. So angle theta having the adjacent side AB and opposite side BC. Here then sin theta is equals to opposite side of theta. तो अभी यहाँ पे एंगल C नहीं, अभी एंगल A. So here angle A is equals to theta. Angle A is equals to theta degree. Then sin theta is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. तो यहाँ पे opposite क्या होगा? यहाँ पे होगा opposite BC and adjacent side that is hypotenuse is AC. Then adjacent side is equals to AB. तो यहाँ पे होगा AB. Then tan theta opposite side of theta. तो opposite side यहाँ पे BC है और adjacent side AB है, तो ये हो जाएगा BC upon AB. Then cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, तो ये भी उल्टा हो जाएगा. This is AB upon BC. AB upon BC. Then sec theta, it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta is equals to adjacent side of theta upon hypotenuse. So यहाँ पे आएगा AC upon hypotenuse AC and adjacent side is equals to AB. Then cosec theta, it is a reciprocal of sin theta, therefore it is equals to AC upon BC. So when angle theta is changed, the ratio is changed. Here simplest way to, आपको जो सिंपल तरीका है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फार्मूले याद रखने का, उसके लिए मैं एक सिंपल तरीका बोलता हूं आपको. O means opposite, A means adjacent and O means opposite, divided by H and divided by A. So here this ratio is sin theta, this ratio is cos theta and this ratio is tan theta. How? So sin theta is equals to O means opposite and H means hypotenuse. So यहाँ पे जो भी होगा वो O upon H. Cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse and tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent. Similarly tan theta का जो रेसिप्रोकल होता है वो होता है cot theta. So cot theta is equals to A upon O, reciprocal. Then cos theta का जो रेसिप्रोकल है वो है sec theta, that is H upon A. And lastly sin theta का जो रेसिप्रोकल है वो है cosec theta. So यहाँ पे होगा H upon O. So ये एक सिंपल तरीका है आपको याद रखने का. That is sin theta is a reciprocal of cos theta is a reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta is a reciprocal of sec theta, or sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, and tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta and cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. These are the basic 6 ratios of the trigonometry. Thank you. Have a good day.